What is going on, you guys? Jay here with Clutch Detail and Jay's Mobile Detailing. I hope you've been having a wonderful day so far. God bless you, by the way. I am currently about to detail a farm vehicle from the looks of it. You got chickens and ducks and other stuff running around here. And this vehicle definitely needs it. It needs some TLC. So as far as it goes, let's go ahead and show you what I'm working with. It's going to be an entire interior detail, excluding the the roof or the headliner. But yeah, let me just show you what I'm working with. All my tools and all my chemicals are going to be linked down in the description. My absolute best friends in all this is going to be, outside of some gloves, is going to be my air gun, my new Rag Company air gun, along with some APC and my vacuum, really. So let's go ahead and get started on that. God bless. Got a hairball.
Why is it spicy?
So right here you'll see me with my APC, and I'm just kind of treating it as if I was washing the vehicle. And whenever you have that foam cannon, I allow that APC to grab a hold of all that dirt and debris. And rather than agitating it with my brushes and getting it clogged up, I just let the APC pull that, and then I use my air gun to just blow all that out from everything. And it really works well, especially for the under railings of the seats. And after that, since it's rubber flooring, all I do is just go ahead and agitate it with both my drill brush. And then coming up soon, you will see a new type of brush pad that I'm going to start using for stuff like this. Now, I'm using this technique right now. It does take a little bit longer as far as the process goes, mainly because I like to use my 1385 MCHULLOCH steamer to break down all the grime and dirt that's embedded into it. But this works just as well. I just didn't have my steamer on hand today, so just wanted to go ahead and show you what I did as an alternative. I can't make this up. So as I've been detailing, there's been like chickens and hens and like other birds and ducks running all around here. And in there, I've been having to like shoo away a hen. I was like, what the heck is it? Why does he keep doing that? I'm guessing it's like going after the food. Nope, laid a freaking egg in there. So yeah, there's an egg. Here's a tip.
Yeah, boy.
What is going on, you guys? Obviously, I am not in the customer's vehicle anymore. I am in my office. At some point, it got way too hot for me. I got really overheated, and I just had to like call it quits as far as recording and taking pictures go. I ended up getting some afters, but as far as I think from the dressing moving forward, I just like called it quits. I just tapped out because it was just way too hot. I just tried to hurry in through that last final process to get out of there just because I ran through all my drinks. At one point, I was tempted to drink out of my water tank, and yeah, it was just pretty nasty. But I walked the vehicle with the customer. They absolutely loved it. They loved how it turned out. They couldn't even recognize their vehicle from what they said. So hopefully I'll be getting another 5-star review to close out the deal whenever I send them that link. But I just wanted to preface with I'm still here. I'm still available to help you with your detailing journey. Absolutely free. Anything that I have as far as knowledge goes, I'm more than happy to pass it on to you. And I hope you still enjoy these videos. If you have any other questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments and I'll be getting back to you. So yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you stay cool in this weather and enjoy the before and after clips coming up. See you in the next video. Later.